It's convert images to video. So Runway ML is a very good platform for creating images to video, converting images to video. So this is a static from Gemini that I generated. It's a Range Rover, which is that is their Emerald version, which I converted to a video like this. So this is one example. Second is Kling AI is you have free license where you get 166 free credits every month to your account, and but the waiting time is really long. It is about 2 hours for generation of any videos, and images you can still get it earlier. They have their own AI, DeepSeek AI, for helping with the prompt. You can just put a simple prompt and they will polish it to make it better. You can create images with the reference to subject, face, and entire image. I'll show you the image thing there. And of course, they have images which you want in a different style. So you can create the image in a different style, like it's dynamic or cinematic or something like that. And just if anybody is careful about this, Kling is basically a Chinese AI company, and that's why they use DeepSeek, which is also Chinese. So just a disclaimer here. They also have starting and ending frames. So if you want a video which starts like this and ends like this, they will bridge the gap and make a short video. This is the image from Gemini, and this is what they created. But you can see the human element is good, but few elements which are not exactly how it's supposed to be. So their monthly subscriptions is going at $6.99, which is pretty cheap. If you want to try it for a month, you can definitely do it. So this is another one.
So this Google AI Pro is different from Google Gemini.
This is another example. So this is the image from Gemini. This is the video rendition, I mean conversion, and this is the second one. So when it comes to dynamic images, Runway and Kling, Runway is good, but Kling is even better because the way they have integrated the camera angle and moving, so it makes it much more appealing to see. So even Runway is about $15 a month, but they have a very high quality. So, but they are expensive also. But you can try Kling for $6.99 a month, which is cheap. I'll show you the Kling. Okay. So currently they are also giving audio, which is not very useful at the moment. So you can just turn off the audio and use. This is the first generation. So I'm just taking you through the image quality that I can generate through Kling. It is free for 1 month, so 166 credits you will get. You can just experiment on this. You can create so just images that I generated from Kling. So these are the few models. They are not accurately depicting the model because that is a copyright issue. So this is somewhat like them. And then I told you about the face thing. So I uploaded my picture here, and I told them this is the command I gave. I just wrote that I want this face with a dress in front of a staircase, holding champagne glass on one hand and purse on the other hand. And then the DeepSeek did the polishing of the entire command, and they generated these videos, these images. So this is how you can make your different avatars through Kling. Video, yes, you can. So let me. So I will try this. So I've selected this image. This is the start of this, and this is how they have polished the prompt. Now I generate on this. So the task is submitted. So this was the image that I generated, and this was the video that they created. There were the cars in the parking lot, and I wanted them to come out of the parking lot. This is what they have created, which is it suits my need. And a Zook's taxi delivering Amazon boxes. This is what they created. This was one option. This was the other option. So small animation can be created through them. But yeah, the free version will take a lot of. I'll show you one more thing. So these two images I generated, then I put it on Kling and converted them to a video. So this is one video. That image isn't converted into a small video where it shows, where I told the I gave the prompt that make the car open both the doors and flash the headlights. This is via Kling.